Are you a groom to be? And are you planning to don our rich Ghana Kente at your upcoming traditional wedding ceremony, but you don't know how to properly wear it? Well, you're in luck, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video with my very special guest. So sit tight, don't click on any other channel, and let's get started. Hello and welcome to Sankofa with Nanama. I am Nanama Jumanewa, a wedding planner and coordinator with Dream Wedding Planners. So Sankofa is a Twi word, and Twi is one of the languages we speak here in Ghana. So Sankofa literally means to go back and get it. And it's coming from a Twi proverb we have here, and it says Sankofa Yinchi. Literally, to go back and get is not an abomination. So Sankofa with Nanama is a segment on this channel where we learn proper traditional etiquette and how to avoid cultural mistakes at your traditional wedding ceremony. So today is all about our handsome grooms, like I said earlier on. But come to think of it, not just for grooms. It's for literally every man out there who likes or wants to know how to wrap kente. Oh, not just kente. Traditional cloth, any kind of cloth that you want to wrap around your body. Today is for you. So the idea for today's topic is something we've been considering for a long time. That's me and my husband. We always cringe anytime we see groom at their traditional wedding ceremonies, and then you see that it's either their kente is being dragged on the floor or they are practically half naked. So, and the funny part is that it happened 2 days ago doing a shoot my husband had, and then he came back with the same report that none of the groomsmen or the groom knew how to wrap kente. So it was a struggle doing photo shoot. They had to redo it, do it several times. And then that's when we were like, no, we really have to do this video once and for all. So this is me trying to help you learn how to wrap kente. But I'm not going to do it by myself. I have a very special guest with me today. And that's in the person of my father, my daddy, Mr. Ajiman, aka Culture Man. He is going to help us learn once and for all how to properly wrap kente or any cloth for that matter. So, Daddy. Okay, so this is my daddy. I don't know, I think people know him, like quite a few people know him already. So this is my daddy, Mr. Ajiman. We call him Culture Man in this house. So the reason why I asked my dad to come help us learn this today is because in all my years of knowing this man, his cloth has never shifted. It has never come off. In fact, how he wraps it before leaving the house is exactly how it stays by the time he comes back home. So who better to teach us than him? So, Mr. Ajiman, welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
Okay, so today we are doing demonstration. You have the floor. And no, something we are going to do differently with this channel is because it's Sankofa, that means we are going back to our roots. So there's no way we are going to do all Brofosem today, you get it. We are not doing too much English language today. Today we are going back to our roots because this is Sankofa, so we are going back to get it. We are going back to take it. So most things will be said in the local language, the Twi. But fret not if you don't understand Twi. Read the caption and you are good to go. So, and tomana ya debe also ya kana say tomana ya debe ya chere and tomana ya debe ya chere no eni kente cloth and ya debe ya chere no. This is the cloth you are going to use for the demonstration today. So that chere like ya pesi you say you see front toma ya call wedding ana ya groom ba you husua oba chere ya say na you see you mfa na be ye fe enyi basa si pia na afi say eji na bi dia wedding tree no more than na be na say
Yo, send the Obusa na Ntomano, where the kente, the Ghana Hanyami Adum, Namedi Adum ya no Ghana, where near Bruni Insano. Anti send a Tomano Nifra Etienne. Some say a yang she for and now I can't for. Yen a choir, ye cock, Jabubi Asia. The first show is easy, it is true. I can't say a handful, and or more a county, a quack, ye and shatter the day and to my and the co. And I said, I can, ye betcha. Now continue at the mostly, no. I said, Predodono or motor a nimpamno, and I acquire. That's 8 yards. ba say ntoma pa dia na 10 years.
Okay. So kente 8 years.
8 years.
But say uto African print now udi fra and only 10 years.
10 years.
Okay.
Na kente ni susu na no mo hwe obu oho ana wosowa. And then na say o say o mo ankasa esusu no mo increasing to 10 years.
Okay. That I mean chawanu. It will cut at 10 years no African print here 10 years no. It is say obi abetumi akọ like baby a ton to maybe of course say uni me 10 years of entoma na me dia ba bifra.
Dabi. Okwa oto the whole 12 years no. Na ye wo mu a enim pam. Na de akoma wo mu.
Me kwa ma pam.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Enti odo akoma wo tere ni anase obi onim pam. Enti oba pam eyi 2 years no. Every so.
Okay.
Nti omo wo se de ekwan omo fa so a omo pam. Back in Teddy.
I say, Minjo, no catch me class 442.
Yeah.
4 years, which are 4 years, me, no, extra 2 years back.
Sanity.
Now I can't see, no, I
so sanity. It's nice. I can say back in Teddy mostly no copy. We sunny more bet me. Efra. Nti ekwan e faso nti mani yen ni. Nti ntomano say ya so emi ba na kan ya nka wo wasan ka me peme cha chao yes.
You see why I said he's a culture man?
Na me pe me I say nika na ma se we ye fan fra we no ene shirt no eti adofo mu fan che ma me no anye yintam until tomorrow, on say good from say, a good from then tomorrow, someone make sure, say, watch a mummy, you pepe. Make sure. And I said, and said, what you watch him. So, say, a good from it's watch a mummy, you know. I feel, but down, who see. Because also a good form.
Yeah.
And see, also, they say maybe bobo.
Yeah. I was say a bathroom.
I was say a bathroom. And to my bobo.
Yeah.
So I bobo we no. So.
Yeah.
No I down. They say na me pese muhunti na me bobo. I will not dey be gun saso.
Yes.
No ahwe aha no. Nsa benkum no. O hwe se ano no. Pepe. So, pepe. So when you hu sa aye pepe na wie no. Na we no. So,
yeah.
Na wo de aba. Anu so no. Wo de ba. Ati wo se me ahade no.
Wo de beka ho.
Wo se me de abeka ho. Eti anu no. Se de di kan. Wo se entoma no entwi fom bi.
O ka se me se. Nti se de bia ye front ma ye de gu ye left.
And
to me fan go right and you find me left you know because I'm right
and they are not omono just because of how old me turning on to na that could go left but then to my dear if I call left it's not left no it won't say cry no me nya enye in or say enye average no cry we say cry no so to make sure to hano so
yeah
so on the iron until we cry no obetimi dey move until tomade say pa na he fra no u france here na they say why you okay until we oko bia no until we oko bia na o tutu na no etutu ni ye ekọ so yeah so
it's nicely arranged okay
so say me secure until say na
chine almost on shower
okay
yes okay very nice. But simple and you struggle like this. I think with this one.
Sir, I don't know anymore. Sa de bia yesua. Enti wusua. Eno an mimi sua, pay for chere me. Enti omo chere me am fire no. Eno an enti say de odi kan no. Me metu ayese kopuma bra baby am koye no. Baby am koye no sa.
Yes.
Enti I idea also usua And no,
and we saw how they call Oshako Church. We to me and no more fast walk on
sir.
And you done
me, it's also
Nika shoulder. Papa Nika be a show.
To say, and to mano. And they were going to say, and star back on you.
Okay. Say, Rebecca Tower now, but
to me, it's me, the most on says to see. I know soon American. And I know soon American. We ukwe see ya na mpemfo edwabo mo ye yanisa won fa won san kwasu sisi won say tu e kura answer oni panyin bi kasa na won sa aye say ya e ba sam ne beka che beka so mu ade enti akofra ntoma dwabo mpemfo nim na akaye say answer be sa na ese wo no wo so ye obrempom bi a wo so dimu. So, yes. I want this idea, and there, Miss Rawa. I want TV, so or him or say, job was or him or na make call, no matter chia or him. One tomano in Guabeti say, would draw.
Hey,
no, I say. No, I say.
And also,
a two draw, and I'm patcho, Michiao, and I'm paying for. What I say? Go moasi. Et wo wie na nanan ajeso info ajeso no. Oba esan ye simple. No atwe.
Okay.
Aba. Na wasan e di guso. So, e de nya afi na wo san be jintuma ni nya san apegya ho. Because kofo we dwaba ase.
Yes.
Ja afi na ba ya mo bi ehun so se ni kasa na se wo ye funu ti se me bi efunu kase. No, man sere mi o. Baby, son, I'm here for and so sad. Abrabo, they do my do sa. It is also sitting. Yeah. It was a step. And they say, also, send the kind, and once I come back to. Now, my son back. Baby, and they say, and no, I met me the way I'm 90. Baby,
and it's true. Nothing is showing. Everything is properly covered. There is no tail at the end. At the end of it, everything is properly.
I first saw a man to manage design.
It's show.
It's show. It's a design.
The edges.
Yeah. So it's show. Dead mobile. So the entomano is it here. Tisani fran.
And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. But first of all, we have to thank Mr. Ajimai, my daddy, for helping us out, for teaching us. Now we all know, even me today, I know. And I'm going to help my future grooms on how to properly wrap it. So thank you so much, Mr. Ajimai, for coming.
Okay. You're welcome.
Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. If you found value in this video, which I know you did, give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to join this ever-grooming, beautiful community. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're in need of my services as a wedding planner or as a coordinator, I'll leave my details up on the screen for you. Thank you so much once again for watching. Bye-bye.